Respectable audience, 5 and 5 are cancelled. Remaining portion will be 10 divided by 10, which results 1. 1 is answered, but all is not correct. The correct solution for this question is by moving from left to right, because we have division and multiplication. In the first case, we cancelled 5 and 5. 10 divided by 10 will be equal to 1, but 1 was incorrect. So what will be the exact solution of this question? PEMDAS gave us exact solution for this type of confusing questions. First of all, parentheses, which is missing exponent, missing multiplication and division, both are same. What is meaning by both are same? Multiplication and division both have same priority, but we should operate from left to right. Mean if division is at left and multiplication is at right, we have to divide first. But if multiplication is at left and division is at right, we have to prefer multiplication first. It is meaning of left to right. So by solving this question, we have to move from left to right. Now come to solution. 10 will be as it is. We can change this division into multiplication and flip this one. By just inverting it, it will become 5 over 10. And this one will be written as it is. Now here is cancellation. 10 and 10 are being cancelled. So we have 1 times 5 times 5, which will be equal to 25, because it is a single term. You can separately 1 times 5 is equal to 5, 5 times 5 will be equal to 25, by moving from left to right. So we got 2 answers. In the first case, we got 1 answer. But in second case, we got 25 answer. So which one is correct? 25 is correct because we have solved this question according to PEMDAS rule, which is order of operation. So 1 is wrong and 25 is correct answer for this question. Thank you for subscribing my channel.